With the parachute in the back ran off the end of the track.
Yeah, I need to go see him. Let me go look at him. How you make it go?
Just twist it, sir.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go, y'all. Whee! This shit fun already. Okay. What? Oh, TikTokers. My YouTube channel, Look at Racing. Man, I forgot to turn the Wi-Fi off on that phone. Oh shit, that bitch that got squirted. Okay. Look out. Hey! Okay, that boy Troy from TikTok. Attention in the pits. We got a car on the other end of the track. He's ran off. He's ran off to the end of the track. He was on the rev limiter. Look out. We believe the throttle was stuck open. We're gonna need everyone to be patient with us. We're trying to get everything cleaned up at the moment. Make sure you guys turn the power off. Check out my YouTube channel. Look at Racing. Let me see what he done did down here. I'm almost at that. He been running the whole time. Hardest working man in racing. On TikTok. Yeah, look out, I'm pedaling back. All the way over there. What the fuck? Where he at? Man, he ain't went in the damn woods. Man, what the fuck? Where he at?
Hey, Quinn.
Huh?
When we got to the end, his hood popped up, and he went off the track. He didn't pop the chute. He said his brakes went out.
Where he at?
Hey, he over there. I ran down there. See all the lights way out there by the tree line?
Man, what the hell?
It's about almost a half a mile down there.
Man, what the hell? How the fuck can you? I thought, what?
He tore all the crops up.
Oh, man.
But he didn't flip or nothing. It stayed on all four. But
Man, what the
I think he popped the chute like way
I
down
wonder
there
if
at the
this
end.
bike can go over there.
Yeah, it's well, no, because it's ruts.
Damn, I'm finna try it. Let's go, baby. Oh, shit. God damn it. Ah. This motherfucker ain't gonna make it. Ah, hell no, I ain't gonna make it, y'all. Fuck, let me walk. I'm stuck already. Damn. Man, he done went through all this shit. Huh? I thought you couldn't get past this part.
Look, Guinness Book of World Records, bro. Ain't nobody, bro. I'm supposed to be dead right now, bro.
That was
God
you?
got a plan for me, bro. God got a plan for me, bro. Look.
You the one got
Bro.
the plan?
Bro, look.
That was you in there?
Listen, bro. I skated this bitch all the way out. My car is at least 200 yards out.
What's going on?
Nigga. Mad Machine Motorsports. Mad Machine Motorsports, bro. I'm not doing this shit to look cool, bro. I'm trying to eat, bro.
What is you eating these crops?
Bro, look at all this. Come walk with me. We finna walk all the way down there. Look out. Let these people
What
see
is you
this shit.
trying to do?
Let them people see this shit, bro.
Man.
Look, bro. Walk with me. No, it's finna be a good live, bro.
Is
Yeah,
it?
look out, man. Hey, boy, y'all better have my boy subscribers up tonight, boy.
Man.
Ain't nobody, bro. They wasn't gonna find me there in the morning, bro.
TikTok.
Look at the trail. Good trail on the good camera.
Y'all
bro.
better get over here.
Mad Machine Motorsports, boy.
listen.
We'll fest on June 25th. I'm finna have it
Can't
back
use
together in
the
2
light.
days, bro.
2 days?
Bro.
What the fuck you doing way over
Bro, I'm
here?
telling you, bro. Brakes went out,
No brakes.
bro. Pulled the
Ooh,
shoe.
that was scary.
Rode that bitch, bro. Bro. Come on, bro.
So the shoe was out?
Bro, she was out. It slowed me down, but bro, that still was still on the ride, bro.
You wasn't running that hard all the way
I
down.
don't even want to see my
You
time
was in
slip.
first gear.
Bro, no, I wouldn't.
Oh, you went to second?
I patted the nigga. I beat him. Camaro, nitrous on slicks. I'm on rims.
Man.
Quit playing
Oh,
with
that
me,
was
bro.
you?
Yeah, Mad Machine Motorsports, man. Come on, bro. Walk with me.
Man, I don't even know.
We
what the
still
fuck
walking.
over here.
They wasn't gonna find me there in the morning. I walked all the way up there, nigga. I knew what I signed up for, nigga.
Oh, Lord.
This some crazy shit, bro.
I need a light.
Look,
Man,
walk with me. God got
I'm
a plan for
walking.
me, bro.
I'm down there tired. You
I'm
what
dead right now,
doing
bro.
over
God
here?
got a plan for me, bro.
I don't know what's the plan.
I don't know either, but I like it. Nigga, put me on the run, nigga.
It's getting me tired.
Yeah, let the
Hope
people
that
see
wasn't a
it,
damn
bro.
plan.
Walk with me.
Tell me
Look,
to
they on
walk with you.
4-wheelers.
Wait a
Bro,
minute,
I'm
man.
telling
Them
you,
crops.
Bro, that's come on, bro. Did nobody know, bro? That's nobody
Nobody
knows. That's fucked up.
Bro, they wasn't gonna find me there in the morning. Bro, come on, bro.
Hey, TikTokers, I need some light. Look out, man.
What, hey, you gotta put on the Guinness Book of Right. Nobody ever went back to the road.
Man, what the
Y'all
fuck?
wasn't gonna find me till in the morning. I'm telling you, be real with me, bro. I'm glad you called. Bro, I got at a walk, bro. I knew what I signed up for every day I wake
Let me
up,
see.
baby. It's like, damn, that was a ride, bro. I go to the side of my car, bro. Going 100 miles
Let me see something.
I didn't know what I was going.
doing faster than 100.
Let me see something. Let me see that light, man.
Bro, listen to me.
You ain't using it. Let me have it.
Let the people see it, bro. I put the helmet on the top of the car, bro. I knew what I signed up for, bro.
Man, this low light ain't working. Oh, here you go, right here. Oh, what car is this?
I know.
It's another car. Oh, damn.
Hey, don't show the south though. You garage motor. Yeah. Let them see it.
Okay, no worries. I'll bring
The
everybody
fuck?
back. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
I got some.
But y'all wasn't gonna find me there in the morning, bro. I'm telling you.
Hey, I'm just glad you made it out.
I know, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's why the tires. They should have put the wheel back on, but.
I'm telling you, bro.
Pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna run what we got in plans right now, and then after that we're gonna go and come pull your car up for you, brother.
That's cool, bro. This hoe need to sit for a little bit, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This hoe named Johnny Lee, bro. It's still here for a reason, bro.
It's a lifesaver, man. Guardian Angel's watching over.
Telling you, bro. I got it on my neck, bro. I ain't never.
All right, TikTokers, y'all head over to my YouTube channel.
You know what I'm trying to do.
Hey, you turn lights on?
Everything's off, yeah.
Everything's off. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna set your hood pin inside here, alright, bud?
Cool. Bro, I'm telling you, they wasn't gonna find me till in the morning, bro. If I would have passed out, bro, come on.
Oh, they wouldn't find you in the
Bro,
morning. I would have
come
came down
here,
here looking for you.
come here, bro. Come here, I'm putting it down. Hold on. Bro, when I knew I hit that hump, bro, no bullshit. I was riding my car like this in the field, bro.